Hi, Dr. Kondrot here. Since the COVID virus, we've been under lockdown here in Florida, and unfortunately we're not seeing patients at the wellness center, so that's given me a lot of free time, and also our missions have been put on hold, so I got a lot of free time and wanted to share with you the garden that I've been working on. Here we have some really beautiful eggplant, and look, we got almost ready for harvest. I love eggplant. I love eggplant. And we have a lot of peppers. And peppers have a lot of good vitamin C. In fact, peppers have more vitamin C than oranges. And right here we have some yard-long beans that are growing. And these are great beans. We have all sorts of other peppers here. We've got green peppers right here. Come over here. And this is okra, and the okra is getting about ready here, and we have a little, oh, here, we have one here that's ready. Let me get this here. We have an okra that's ready. And zucchini. I love my zucchini. Let's see if we, oh my goodness, look here. Look, we got a good one right here. These guys just crop up overnight. And because it's so hot in Florida, we got some Swiss chard growing here. We have carrots, onions, kale. Over there is broccoli. And we got beets. I think these beets might be ready. No, they still got some time to go. And lettuce. And over here we have some squash. Looks like this one here has seen its day. And cucumber. Here we got a little guy here, not quite ready. We picked some cucumbers already. In the center here, we got watermelon. It's growing. And corn. Check out the corn. And in the center, we have some pumpkin. And this is cantaloupe. My wife loves cantaloupe. And we've got a lot of blossoms here on the cantaloupe. And we got a chicken coop right over here. We got free-range chickens. Here's the chickens early in the morning. They're getting up. Good morning, girls. We have a section here for tomatoes. I think the squirrels are trying to get them, so we got to keep an eye on them. And I've been picking them when they're green, taking them inside to ripen. And here we have a pot that's growing some lettuce. And come over here and just look at those majestic sunflowers. We got a whole line of them. And this is my Miss Lee's garden. This is butternut squash. She loves her butternut squash. And let's take a walk. We have some starter pots right here. This is some dill growing. This is the herb collection. We have various herbs, oregano, dill, sage, mint, and then we got, this is some beet starters. And I got about 6 varieties of tomatoes that I'm waiting. We got some Amish variety. We got a Polish variety right here. And these are some peppers, not peppers, but eggplants that are started over here. Eggplants from all over the world. Japanese, Cambodian, Thai, and of course Italian, the Rosa. And over here we got basil. And these are some varieties of tomatoes here that are starting. Roma, Brandywine. Pretty soon we'll be putting them in the garden. So you can see that I've been busy. And really, I think food is probably our best medicine. Those of you that are hunkered down, nothing to do, start your own garden. And the most healthy food you can eat is the food that you grow yourself. Dr. Kondrot wishing all of you good health and clear vision. Oh, P.S., we still are open. I'm doing telephone consults, telemedicine. Go to our website, sign up for a free consult. I'm here. I got plenty of time. I'm here to help you. So stay safe and hope to talk to you soon.